Hey beauties, it's Daisy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get these beautiful beachy waves and how to slay this frontal on this 360 wig. If you're interested, make sure you keep on watching. Today's hair is from Ayiyi Hair, and I have to give you a close-up of this frontal. It came pre-plugged, and of course it's a 360 wig, so the lace around the hairline looks bomb. And I'm going to install this wig using Gots to Be Glued. I'm going to put a nice thick layer on here so we can make sure that this wig stays all day and then some. So we are laying this wig with the blow dryer. We're putting it on cool settings for about 30 seconds to a minute. And what I like to do is use the back of my rat tail comb and just press the lace in, and also make sure that no baby hairs are sticking to that hairline. And then I'm just gonna go in and clear up the excess glue before I work on the sides and do the same method. Now it's time for the baby hairs, and I am just pulling out a thin layer here, and we are gonna get these slayed. Before I installed this wig, all I did was let it air dry, so it is on the thicker side. So I wouldn't get any little frizzy parts out of the hair, so I am just going to straighten it first, and then later on I will curl it off camera. So now it's time for the reveal. This lace is melted. I got a little bit of glue on my forehead, but never mind. Now we are gonna clean this up. First, I wanna make sure I get the parting space right. And I'm so happy because sometimes I over bleach the knots, and this time I just made the consistency way thicker and it made a difference. So here's the final result, guys. Baby hair is laid, looking super natural. I love the big curls. Let me show you guys. I use this ball curling iron. I need to turn this off. Yes, before I burn my house down. But this curling iron is absolutely bomb. It gave me these pretty curls. I love it because they're not too tight or not too loose. They just have that right volume. You can just play with your hair. Just look like a beach babe, you know? Girl from Cali today. So this hair does not shed or tangle. This is one of the best wigs I had hands down in a long time. I usually don't like 360 wigs, but this one is doing me justice. I did not lay down the back. I don't really like lay down the back unless I'm wearing the hair up. If you guys want to see me do a tutorial on this 360 wig, like wearing it up or something, let me know and I'll do that for you. But I have nothing bad to say. This hair is super soft and silky. I just put a little bit of oil in there and it doesn't look greasy. It just looks just right. The length is everything. Y'all like my little jacket, y'all? Got it from Fashion Nova. It's cute, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know any type of looks you want to see me do in the comment section below. And I want to thank you so much for your love and support. To my next video. Peace.